Hello my beautiful babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to unbox my my Fabfitfun box for the winter season. I'm so excited this came in the mail. It's one of my favorite beauty lifestyle subscriptions. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got this month, well, this season, and to let you know what I think about it, whether it was worth it, and get more information about Fabfitfun, then keep on watching. Alright, here we are again. I hope you guys are enjoying my background. If you watched my previous video, I did talk about it a little more and how I switched up my lighting, so I just hope it's looking good. Also, if you are curious about this look that I have on, I did film a video putting this together with a new product from Lilly Cosmetics. So if you're interested, I will have that link below, as well as pop up in the corner for you guys to check out. If you just want to see how this look was done, I really love it. I'm feeling it. It goes with my top, my earrings. I'm just feeling myself right now. But anyways, if you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. But anyways, here it is, the winter box, the winter wonderland of awesomeness. Hopefully it is. We'll see. But if you don't know, it's a seasonal subscription. It is $49.99 a month. They do also have a select membership where you can buy like an annual subscription. You do get a discount going that route, and I think it's like 200 something for that, and you just get more perks if you go that route. You get to customize more items. I think as a seasonal member you customize 3. As a select member you can customize, I think, 5 products. You get your box sooner, you get early access to sales when you have that membership, but it's a bunch of good perks going that route too. But if not, you can just be seasonal and pay as the boxes come. So pay as you go, basically. But here it is. It's a big box. It's always a big box. From the last video I mentioned, they had went eco-friendly. I will link my other Fabfitfun boxes below, like unboxing videos I did, in case you want to see what else I got from previous seasons, to see whether it might be something you're interested in, and if you see consistently good stuff coming in. But overall, I have been really loving these boxes. There's always a magazine in here which gives you all the products, the different categories, the pricing, how to use some of these products, and all of that. So the first thing in here that I got, which I've already been using and I'm sitting on here, this is a wonderful, super cozy, super amazing blanket. Ignore the swatches, I can't get them off again. But this is from the brand called Unhide. This is the little marshmallow blanket, and it feels like a cloud dreams. It feels so nice. This goes for $65. Of course, I would never purchase this blanket. If I was like in the store and I saw it and it said $65, I probably would not get it because I'm too cheap like that. But to have it here with me now and to have this in the box, I'm so happy. It's supposed to feel like a chinchilla, but it's not chinchilla. It's a faux chinchilla material, so no animals were hurt in the process of making this blanket, which is very important. All right, so the next product that I got, these are the things I've customized. So I picked that blanket, and then I picked these mugs right here. You had 2 mugs in this box. So if you got a boo thing you want to share some tea or coffee with, they got you set in this box. This was $42. This is from Lilly Pulitzer. I think I said that name correctly. I'm gonna show you guys the muggies. Look at that. Look at how cute this is. It has a little gold detail here. It has Lily on there, and these are so cute. And then there's another one, so you can get snuggled up with your bae and have tea. I mean, gosh, these are so cute. I love a good coffee mug. I am a huge coffee and tea drinker, so I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these mugs. So let's go on. So the next category that I picked from was right here, and I got this product right here. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Facial Cleanser. I think it is. It's the Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. So this retails for $58, and this washes your face with this professional grade microcrystal solution to instantly deep clean and refine pores. And I am a big fan of exfoliating my skin. I do deal with like textured skin issues, so I'm always about a good exfoliator. And then the rest are products that I wasn't able to pick since I'm just a seasonal member. These are the categories that if you are a select member, you could have picked something from. But I ended up getting the Kate Spade socks. These are the workout socks. So these socks are to grip the bottom for traction and an open design for comfort and breathability. This is different. I would have never picked something up like this, but maybe like if I do yoga or stretches at home, it says bar socks. So I guess if you do bar as like a workout, these are really good for that. It has like little rubbers on the bottom and then it's opened on the top. I mean, I'm definitely gonna give them a try. I've never used like yoga socks or anything like this, and I've never tried bar, but you never know. And if I did not mention, this was $24. Different, interesting, but hey, I love getting different things. You never know what you're gonna end up falling in love with. So the next thing that I got was this right here. This is from Daily Concepts. This is a daily facial dry brush. I've never tried dry brushing before, but supposedly it's really good for the lymphatic system. Okay, so it says to use for the forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate the lymphatic system, like I said, and reduce puffiness. So I'm not opposed to this. I've never tried it, and maybe I might like it. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you've tried dry brushing and if you think it's like really a game changer or worth it to do. So I got this as well. This is called the Peridot Los Angeles Lucky Star Blemish Patches. So this is just, I'm guessing, a sticky you put on a pimple to help reduce it. And where is it on here? This retails for $18. Ooh, that is kind of pricey. It says pesky blemish stands no chance against these patches. And I don't know how many patches are in here. Oh, there's 40 patches. That's actually pretty good for such a little package. So we'll have to see if these actually work in getting rid of blemishes. And every now and then I get breakouts, so I could definitely benefit from that. And then the next thing in here that I got was the Guardian Angels Revitalizing Eye Gel. So patch gels. It's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and depuff. These go for $25. So place this hyaluronic acid infused eye gels under the eye area to reduce any kind of puffiness. So I love eye gels. I'm all for that. How many are in here? So there's 4 of them, which is kind of pricey for $25, but maybe I'm just super cheap and don't know what eye patches are supposed to go for. I'll definitely get use out of this. I do like using eye gel like pads as well as sheet masks, so I will just have a small night and use those. And then the last and final product that I got was this blush right here. This is from Phase Zero. It says Making Moves Blusher, and I guess, or maybe the shade is called Making Moves, but it looks like a peachy sheeny blush. And this is $27.50. This is a silky smooth formula that blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. So I'm all down for a sheeny blush as well as a peachy blush. I love these things. So let's see. That's what it looks like. It's a very simple, compact. It has a little mirror in it, and then this is what the blush looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I would definitely use this blush. Let me swatch it. It feels really creamy. Oh yeah, it has like a really nice sheen to it. It's like one of those like hybrid of blush and highlighter in one, and that is my favorite type of blush to use. So I love this, and I'm a huge fan of blush, so I probably would definitely use this product a lot. That was everything that I got. They normally add like coupons in here, so from like HelloFresh, this looks like another coupon to use, and something with HBO, and it looks like something about like a wine subscription. So they also include that, and there was like a little snack bar in here that I already ate because I'm a snacky girl like that. But anyways, that was everything that I got in my winter subscription for Fabfitfun. I do like it. So the total value of my box was $278.50, and I paid $49.99 for that. Wow, that was really good. They do promise to have the box be at least 200 and up, so I definitely got that value out of the box. Do I think it was worth it? I do. I always think these boxes are worth it. There's always something that I love or enjoy or excited about trying from my Fabfitfun box. I haven't been disappointed yet. Now, do I think that there are boxes that I liked better? Yes. But the blanket is worth it for me. So it was $65 from that. So that was over what I already spent on the box. The blush was really pretty, and I'll definitely get use out of that. The mugs, I mean, I'll never turn down a good coffee mug. So that was worth it for me, and I'm excited about the Dr. Brandt Pore Exfoliating Cleanser, and I think those are all the things that I was most excited about. I'll definitely use like the gel mask and the blemish little stickies, as I do break out every now and then. So I definitely got my full worth out of this box. I mean, the only thing I wasn't super excited about were the workout socks and the like facial brush, because I've never tried dry brushing, but I'm gonna give them a try. I might fall in love with them, you never know. But that was everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful or just fun to watch. If you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, unboxings, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. I will link everything below that I got in the box, as well as Fabfitfun's site if you want to check it out, maybe look at the subscription or doing it for yourself. You can also do these as gifts, like you can send someone a box or do like a subscription for them. Or they might have a one-time box option, but they do also offer that if you want to give it as a gift, which I think would be an amazing gift if it's someone that you're not sure what they love, but they do like beauty and like skincare and lifestyle stuff. Then maybe that might be a good option as well. But anyways, guys, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to also check out my Instagram. That's linked in the description as well. I have that pop up on the screen. I'm Breezy Lifestyle. I do post a lot of like lifestyle, personal like content on there, just my daily life. So I'd love to see you guys over there as well. But anyways, guys, I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Just sending you lots of love and light. But until next time, bye, guys.